If you want a smoke alarm, you'll have to get some money. If you want to get some money, you'll have to do some jobs. If you do some jobs, you'll get the money. If you get the money, you'll go to Walmart. If you go to Walmart, you'll get the smoke alarm. If you get the smoke alarm, you'll open it up. If you open it up, you'll put some batteries inside it. If you put some batteries inside it, you'll give it a little test. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and that notifications bell. So anyways, guys, see you next time. Bye!